In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your website to Pinterest. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Pinterest account and which options to select so your site is properly connected. This connection, sometimes called claiming your website, gives you access to analytics, improves attribution on your pins, and helps your brand show up consistently. Start by opening Pinterest.com in your browser and signing into the account you want to use. If you manage multiple profiles, double check that you're in the right one. A business account is recommended for full analytics and website features, but you can switch later if needed. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the Pinterest interface. Click the settings icon there to open the account menu. This gear icon is your gateway to all the controls you'll need today. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding the sidebar or maximizing your browser window. In the menu that appears, click Settings to open the full settings page. Think of this as the control center for your profile. From here, you'll be able to manage privacy, notifications, account connections, and most importantly, your website. On the settings page, find and click Link to Pinterest. This section is where Pinterest organizes connections to your account. It's the place that leads you to the website connection area. If the wording looks slightly different in your view, look for the area related to linked accounts or site management. Pinterest occasionally updates labels, but the destination is the same. Next, click Claim. This is the action that starts the website connection process. Claiming tells Pinterest that you own or manage the website you're adding, which unlocks site-level analytics and has your site URL attributed to your content. After you click Claim, Pinterest will guide you with on-screen prompts. You'll typically be shown several verification methods, and you can pick the one that suits your setup. Make sure you have access to your website's backend or hosting tools so you can complete the process smoothly. A couple of quick tips as you proceed. Keep a separate browser tab open with your website, admin, or hosting dashboard so you can move back and forth quickly. If you manage a team, coordinate with whoever has site access before you start. And don't worry if you don't see instant confirmation. Pinterest may take a short time to review and verify your connection. You can always return to the claim area to check the status. That's it. You've navigated to Pinterest, opened settings, moved into the linking area, and initiated the website claim. Follow the on-screen guidance from here and you'll be connected in no time.